Welcome to the section of this course. Today I will be solving. In these questions, a vector is given. Here alpha is there. Alpha is greater than 0. Here b vector is given. And if the projection of a cross b on this vector is this. Okay. So we need to find the value of alpha. Projection of this on this means what? Remember, what is projection of a vector on b vector is given by on b means what? This b vector magnitude you have to take, and then you need to find dot product of a and b. Okay, a and b, you need to find a dot b after upon magnitude of b. Okay, so this is on means what? This should be down over here. So now in this question, what is given? If the projection of this on a vector, so let's consider this as a some vector c. So the given question says given question implies, so projection of this, okay, on this means what? Projection of a cross b, if I consider this is c, okay, upon on, okay, on, we have on this means what? You need to find magnitude of c vector. It is given that if the projection of this a cross b on the vector this is 30, so it is given as 30. So from here we need to find this alpha. Now for this we need to find first a cross b. We have a over here, we have b over here. We need to find a cross b. After that vector we need to take dot product with c vector. This is c vector I am taking. Okay. So now let's find first a cross b. Now what is a cross b? This is formula which we are using. A cross b vector is equals to, we have I, j, k. Here we have alpha 1 minus 1. Alpha 1 minus 1. B is 2, 1 minus alpha. 2, 1 minus alpha. Now let's expand this. Here I vector, this into this is minus alpha, minus plus 1 minus j. These are all unit vectors. Here minus alpha square, and then minus plus 2 plus kf alpha minus 2. Here alpha minus 2. Now this is what a cross b. So now a cross b dot c vector, okay, j over here. So here 2 into alpha square minus 2. This is what? So 2 into alpha square minus 2 is 2 alpha square minus 2 to the 4 plus, here this is k. Here you have to multiply minus 2 over here. Okay, so minus 2 alpha minus plus 4. So this minus 2 plus 4 and minus 4 gets cancelled. So let's see, this is same as 2 alpha square. I am writing first 2 alpha square. Here we have alpha minus 2 alpha is minus alpha. Here we have minus 1. We have only minus 1. 2 alpha square minus 2 alpha plus alpha is minus alpha. These two gets cancelled. Now let's substitute this value over here. So this implies, this is what? 2 alpha square minus alpha minus 1 upon square root of c. Mod of this is 1 square plus 2 to the 4 plus 2 to the 4 is equals to 30. So now here 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Square root 9 is 3. So let's multiply over here into 3. So this 30 into 3 is 90. So I can write over here 90. So I can bring this that sides. Therefore this is 2 alpha square minus alpha minus 1 minus 90 is equals to 0. Minus 1 minus 90 is minus 91. So I can write minus 91 equals to 0. Now, since it is quadratic equations, remember we have for quadratic equations, we have ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Its value is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So, values of a. Okay. Values of a, here x square is there, we will have two values. Values of a is given by this. Now, let's compare with this. Here a equals to what? A equals to 2, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to minus 91. So, its values are equals to what? Let's write down over here. Minus b, here minus plus 1 plus minus b square. What is b? 1 square is 1 minus 4a is what? 2. C is minus 91 upon twice a is 2 is equals to 1 plus minus, here minus plus, here 1 plus 728 upon 4. So, is equals to 1 plus minus square root of 729. Okay, 729 is square root is what? Square root of 729. Square root of 729 by 4. 1 plus minus square root of 729 is what? 27 by 4. Now, let's take this is value of alpha. Okay. Now, this is what? Values of alpha. Now, values of alpha should be greater than 0. Okay. Now, let's see if I take plus 1 plus 27 by 4 or 1 minus 27 by 4. Now, here we will get minus over here. So, we cannot choose this since alpha is what? Greater than 0. What about this? Here we have 29. Okay, 29 upon 4 is 7. So, this is what? Alpha equals to 7 is the required answer for this.